Here we will be discussing about the report writing for table. Okay, so that is table report writing. Let's understand one example. The table shows the proportion of pupils attending for secondary school types between 2000 and 2009. Okay, so there are 3 years given: 2000, 2005, and 2009. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Okay, so let's see, there are four categories: special schools, grammar schools, voluntary controlled schools, and community schools. Okay, so the table illustrates the percentage of school children attending four different types of secondary schools from 2000 to 2009. It is evident that the specialist, grammar, and voluntary controlled schools experienced declines in number of pupils, whereas the community schools became the most important providers of secondary school educations during the same period. So, as already mentioned, that is the opening statement should show the striking features, that is which is going downwards and which is going upward. So, as you can see, that is the grammar and the voluntary school shows decline, whereas community schools shows increase. Okay, so here again, let's begin in the details. To begin, the proportion in voluntary controlled school, that is voluntary controlled school, fell from just over half to only 20%, or one fifth, from 2000 to 2009. Similarly, the relative number of children in grammar school, in grammar school, so just under one quarter, dropped by half in the same period. Okay, so 24 to 12%, to just half. As for the specialist school, the relatively small percentage of people attending this type of schools, 12%, also fell, though not significantly. Though not significantly, that is 12 to 10% only. So you can understand the individual one. However, while the other three types of schools declined in importance, the opposite was true in case of community schools. In fact, while only a small minority of 12% were educated in these schools in 2000, this figure increased to well over half of all the pupils during the following 9 years. Okay, so it increased to 12% to 58%. So that's why it is mentioned as increased to well over half of all the pupils. Okay, during the following 9 years. Okay, so I hope you understood how to draft the table format if it comes. Okay.